Bam. Ang amo estudyante nga gwapa.
Okay. Ang tapos na balik dayon ha. Okay, go. Exit dayon ang tapos na. Wait sa line sa diha. Ayaw sa balik sa classroom nga dili ta together. Okay, form your line. Last na ni siya, last. Last na. No.
Dodgers si Ma'am. Dodgers si Ma'am.
You know, form your lines. No, do not go. Just form your line. Form your line. Thank you.
Guys, still si Ma'am Boss. Ma'am.
Ay, sorry. Kumain ang tanan. Thank you. Thank you very much. Na ako dire.
Salamat sir ha.
Thank you very much. Boy, what will you say?
Thank you.
What will you say again?
Thank you!
Okay. Sige na, form your lines.
Can I have another shot?
Okay, drink together. What will you say?
Thank you!
Thank you very much, Alaska. Thank you for the... What will you say? To the Alaska. Thank you very much for the sponsors. Thank you. You say thank you to them. Siguro sa tanan group kita rin nag-thank you. Together, di ba? Just no. So, unsa man, lami dili.
Lami!
Wow, bi pakita ko sa face ha, nagsuyo pug lami bi. Wow, very good. So we are so blessed that we have sponsors. Yes, you can do that.
I lost my pen.
Yes. Thank you very much for the sponsors. Say again, thank you very much. Okay. Yes. Okay, just focus your